More English.
Hello, my name is Dustin. Nice to meet you. I love English. I hope you love English too. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cook. Yay! Oh, welcome to my kitchen. Ooh, wow. Let's make pizza, toast, sandwich. Yay! Sounds delicious, right? It is delicious. First, let's wash our hands. Okay? Great. Now, let's check our ingredients. Making a pizza toast sandwich is very easy. Look at the ingredients. 2 slices of bread. Butter. Cheese. More cheese. And tomato sauce. First, butter one side of both slices of bread. If you use a knife, please be very careful. Knives are sharp. Great job! Now let's toast the bread. When using a stove, be very careful. The stove and the pan will get very hot. Toast the bread until the buttered sides are golden brown. Before the toast is finished, spread tomato sauce on top of the bread. Now you can add the cheese. You can use a little or you can use a lot. When the toast is almost finished, put the 2 pieces together to make a sandwich. Ta-da! Wow! Our pizza toast sandwich is finished. Now we can eat. Okay, great job! Now you can make your own pizza toast sandwich. Be safe, have fun, and enjoy! Delicious. Very good. Bye!